over here, you. That's a good catch. That's a good catch. Say hi, Dad. You want to come back over? Well, come on.
Hey.
Hey. Huh. Well, looks like he's doing closed, huh? Good catch, baby. You're okay. It's okay. Did I laugh at you and that made you fall? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Is that it? All right. Well, I'm done posing for the camera. Bye.